This video is sponsored by Wild Police Chase.
There's your license back. It's just a warning, all right? Yeah, in Arkansas, within 1,000 feet, you got to kill your high beams, okay?
Okay, yes, sir. I'm so
and then
sorry.
just make sure you get a copy of the insurance, keep with you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Y'all be safe.
I'm so sorry. Thank you.
37 on David Lane, eastbound to Lazen.
Yeah, got it. Turn on the flat road. Get him! Get your hands up! Get your hands up!
Please do not shoot him.
Get in the house! Get in the house! Get your hands up!
Get on the ground, sir.
Get.
Stay on the ground.
You stay right there.
Stay on the ground.
Get your arm out from under you.
Stay on the ground, baby. Stay on the ground.
Hey, you ain't come out the house. Come over here.
Hey, you move to your left. Move to your left.
Walk. Not side. Walk to your left. Now. Hands in the air.
Dunham, I'm with you. Get him up. See if you can call him back. Move to your left. Get up onto your knees. Driver, get up onto your knees. Hang tight, just a second. Hey, you with no shirt on. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
What did I do?
Move to your left. Put your hands on top of your head. Go ahead. All right, stand up, face away from me. Stand up, face away from me.
Don't start crying, son. Just hold on.
Stand up, face away from me.
Oh, 1050.
Felony takedown. Walk backwards with the sound of my voice. Walk backwards with the sound of my voice. Keep walking backwards with the sound of my voice. I'll go hands on. Keep walking backwards. Watch your step with the lip there. Keep walking backwards. Keep walking backwards. You're good right there. Keep walking them back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Go down to your knees.
What did I do? What did I do? All right. Stand up. Hands on your head.
You got him? Let me help. I'm going to go help him. What's that on your side there? Hey, just stay back for now.
That's my wallet.
That's my wallet. What's that on you? Slush or something?
Yes, it's Dodgers. I
Stand
just
up.
came from Dodgers.
Stand up.
What did I do?
You didn't stop. You took off. That's called fleeing.
I did.
You don't get to do that.
Y'all had someone else pull over. I thought I could pass by.
You didn't see him get behind you with his license siren on?
No.
You speed up?
I didn't.
Okay. Anybody else in your car?
No.
You know, brought against my car. You ain't got to lean on it. Just lean up against it.
pee.
Hey, put him in your car.
I gotta pee.
You better not pee in my car.
I gotta pee. Can I pee?
Stay right there. Stay right there. Quit moving.
You all right?
He threw it in the yard. He threw it in the yard. Come here. What are you doing?
I'm trying to pee.
Are you pissing yourself?
No, I'm trying to pee, but y'all not trying to let me pee.
What's your deal?
I ain't got no deal. I'm just trying to get home.
So you a grown man? You can't hold your bladder?
Man, I've been holding my pee for 2 hours. I've been trying to get home because she called me.
Well, come back here. Sit down.
I gotta. What happened?
Watch your step. Get in here. Sit down.
Can someone at least give me my medicine?
What's your medicine for?
My seizures. I can't breathe.
Why can't you breathe?
I told you I have seizures.
What does seizures have to do with breathing?
What do you mean?
What does it say? You're not having a seizure right now. Why can't you breathe?
I haven't been able to breathe in a minute. That's the whole point of he coming to the.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share my video and press bell icon to get future updates.